Welcome to part 2 of our UK to France motorhome trip, where we arrived at the campsite, we strolled to the local shops, tested how many people we could fit in our motorhome bed, we bounced on a trampoline, we splashed in the heated pool, Becky cooked us a banging spag bowl, and we ate in the on-site restaurant. Then we hit the road to our next stop, and trust me, stay tuned, we found something very cool hiding in the woods. We're on the road to Camping Château du Gandspette, just 30 minutes south of Calais. I picked this site for great reviews, and come on, it's a chateau campsite. It's about a 2-hour drive from here, so let's hit the road and get cracking. We've just pulled into the clearly signposted entrance, and there it is, the chateau, right on our left. I actually found this site using the ACSI camping app.
We did it!
Did it?
It's our first chateau stay. Excited, boys. Look how handsome you are. You're so handsome, aren't you? And you? Where are you gone? You're handsome too, you little bully.
We got the paper!
Yep.
Yay!
We've got to wait a few minutes.
Okay.
And then we've got to go. We can't check in until 1:30 because
We're
they
actually
close.
early for something.
That was quite a tight road getting in. They're doing road work, so in this we were very much on the line because they'd taken away about half a foot off the curb side, hadn't they?
Yeah.
To do a load of stuff, so it was a bit of a squeeze, but we did it.
The sun's shining.
The sun's shining.
Sunny and Daddy, look.
All good. So on pitch 3A, he's put us opposite the park because he's nice, very nice. He was mocking my French. Yeah, lovely site. So it's €29 with ACSI for the night with electricity. So he said if we back onto the pitch, we should be level. So cool. Right, let's go.
It's only a short drive to our pitch. We passed the motorhome service point and the toilet and shower block on the way. Super handy and well laid out.
Arrived, we're here. We parked nicely.
Hi.
We're parked opposite the park.
So we're in our pitch, 3A. They put us near or opposite the play park and near the facilities, which is very nice. The guy here, Julian, is very helpful. Speaks good English but wants you to try French, which I thought was fair enough. The pitches are a little bit slanted, so you need to lift your rear if you're going in backwards. Ours has got air suspension, we've got it on max, it's still not quite enough, so we've put our chocks underneath. And then we were told if you're going to use the chocks to put something underneath them, like a bit of paper, because they slide on the grid system they've got. But anyway, we're here, it's a lovely site, the sun is shining, and we're going to explore. Welcome to Château du Gandspette, a 4-star campsite in the Pas de Calais region of Hauts-de-France. Just 15 minutes from Saint-Omer, it's a perfect mix of peace, space and nature. With 199 pitches spread over 11 hectares of woodlands, it's got everything you need for a relaxing break. And just over there you'll spot the boys enjoying the play park already.
Whee! Go on, Lodgy. There he is!
Let's take a look at the shower and toilet facilities at the Château du Gandspette. There are separate male and female toilets, clean washing up area, an Elson point, and even external urinals, all really tidy and well looked after. Just across from this is the motorhome service point, with a large floor drain and fresh water tap, and since we're running low, Sonny and I are going to use this now as we need to top up our water carrier. We pop over to the reception to check out the restaurant menu. It looks so good we decide to book a table for tonight. On the way out, we spot a classic red British phone box, a fun little surprise. Then we take a moment to admire the outside of the chateau, itself such a beautiful building. We're going to skip the pool at this time, but here's a quick look. One's heated, the other's not. And beyond that, we spot the outdoor tennis courts. We're just walking around the estate at the moment, having an explore. They've got football pitch, they've got basketball, they've got tennis courts. Oh, stop. Car. They've got homes coming from all different directions. Yeah. So yeah, you've got quite a few different areas to camp here, so you can imagine the capacity is pretty good. just about a 20-minute walk from the campsite. There is a blockhouse where they've got a V2 rocket and a bunker here that you can come explore. We might just be a little bit too late in the day. It's 4:30 now. I think they close at 5, so we'll have a quick look and just see if they'll let us in. We've walked over to visit the Éperlecques Blockhaus, the site where Hitler ordered the V2 rocket launch base to be built back in 1942. It's a massive structure designed for assembling and firing rockets at England. They close in about an hour, so fingers crossed they let us in. We're keen to explore this piece of World War II history. So we've got 1 hour to have a look around. I'm sure we can do that because we need to be out for dinner at 6:30. We've booked a table. To the station. Trying to demonstrate how people are just absolutely crammed in these. Trying to show how many people would have been. 100 people per carriage. 1943. Here's the toilet. What do you call it? The shame.
Shame train.
What? Big bucket there. You see all the mines are located. I'm not sure if this actually is though, where, because look, there is actually like bigger holes. This possibly could be because of where we are, where there actually was. I'll have to do some research. There's a bomb landed there. Oh, I wasn't expecting this. Have a look at this. Wow. Like a huge bunker. I was not expecting that hidden in here. It's even got some little old signage down there if you can see it. Got these basically talking points here. All around it tells you about it, and then you can sit on the benches and listen. But look, they've obviously got a V2 rocket in there. Outside there's a small railway on display carrying logs. It's likely it would have been used to transport materials like timber and concrete during construction of the blockhouse. Amazing to see it still here today. Right, we can go in and have a look.
Here, you are at the heart of the Éperlecques bunker. The colossal door that you just come through closed the passage for the railway lines.
What?
It is 7:25.
We're now walking inside the Éperlecques Blockhaus, and it's honestly pretty dark and eerie in here. I'm not a fan. Inside there's a full-size rocket on display along with bombs, wartime relics, and loads of information boards to read and listen to. There's a main hall with a huge screen showing the history of the site and the V2 program. It's powerful, slightly unsettling experience, but really fascinating. We've got like a video display in there, but it's in French and we don't want to disturb the people, so just carry on exploring, but check out this rocket that's here. We're now outside and they've got both the V1 and V2 rocket on display. Really cool to see them close to each other so you can see the big differences. The surrounding woods are dotted with old military vehicles, half hidden among the trees. It really adds to the atmosphere and gives you a dramatic feel of what the site was once like. That was it. We had to rush around because we really only had an hour, so definitely one to visit and spend a bit more time on. Looks like they've got a cafe too, and there's facilities here. We just made it to the exit for the exit barrier, and then on our way back to the campsite for our 6:30 dinner. So yeah, we're out. We're going to head back to the campsite now. The gentleman here was lovely, very helpful. Spoke where you gone? Spoke good English, well, good French and good English because he's French, and yeah, very helpful. So definitely want to spend a bit more time with in future. And you can get, if I turn you around, if you've got a motorhome, there's parking here don't know if you can camp there, but you can definitely park there because there's a sign that says it.
Maybe hot chicken and chippies, yeah? Do you want nuggets or do you want...
We've gone for like a regional dish of chicken with a cheese, a local cheese and chips. So I'll like it. Becky, it might be over cheese for Becky, but she's going to plough through it like a hero, yeah? They also brought out some colouring in pencils and pens for the boys. What do you say? Do you say thank you?
Thank you.
Merci. Good boy. So it's Calais to Dover day today. We're still on campsite. I'm just sorting the boys up with some breakfast. Becky's in the shower. I won't show you that. And then we'll get packed up and leave about 12 o'clock to get to Calais for about 12:30. After yesterday's heat wave, it's chucking it down here today. It's still warm. It's meant to clear up now, but it's frustrating really. But it is what it is. We're still in France. I've just returned from the little bakery up the road, and we're going to boulangerie. And thank you, Becky. And it's dried up now. It was raining earlier, and now it's dried up, which is annoying because I've put all the seats away wet. Anyway, we've had a wonderful 5 or 6 days in France, just in northern-ish France. So if you're thinking about doing it, hopefully you can see how nice some of the sites are, and they're so cost effective compared to the same period in the UK. We're going to get the ferry at 3 o'clock, another Irish ferry. We're going to have lunch, and then we'll be back in the UK for about 4ish because we're an hour ahead here. So 156, yeah?
Line 156. It was easy, wasn't it?
Easy peasy. Just follow the signs. It's always scary if you don't know where to come to these places. But the ferry, they're both as easy as each other, to be fair. You've got to jump out and turn the gas off, which is here.
We made it the other end. We're just at UK border control. So easy.
Yeah, they weren't fussed. The French weren't fussed, but it looks like they're doing searches up here, so we might get scanned up here. Not that it matters.
We got rid of everything in the fridge.
No. Oh, right. Oh well. Right, might be in trouble over that then. We'll see.
Just eat it quickly now. We got searched.
We got searched. It was very quick and
Painless.
yeah.
Yeah, obviously we were fine. We're just trying to get out. It's busy with lots of big lorries. You're right after this one. Off we go find lane 156. Yeah, I think they're searching just if you've got migrants.
We've had it every time, haven't we?
Yeah, they must just check all camper vans, mustn't they?
Sometimes they'll do a swab test on the wheel as well.
Yeah.
So obviously we're good boys and girls, so
We passed.
yeah.
And
So
now we can go home.
have a look at this.
Look, it's a big boat, boys. You see the big boat?
If you've never taken a car on a ferry before or a motorhome, then they'll give you a lane number, which ours is 156. So basically you go around, you look for the signs, you find the lane, you go queue up in the lane, you give the person the ticket at the end of the lane, and then you board the ferry. It's as simple as that.
Early for one.
Early bing bangs.
Just the other side of that 156.
Got the inside of me.
Hey, that's not our boat.
Irish ferry, might be.
It's the
It's for ferry. It's for ferry. Fuck is for ferry.
Get ready, Fut is for Ferry is docking soon in all major record shops. Don't miss the drop, an arrival you won't forget.
It's choppy.
Choppy Chumleys. Let me show
Very
you.
choppy.
It's a choppy chumley out there. I'm going there like a big Ferris. Let's go! Driving onto the ferry is easy peasy. You're directed into a lane, you park up, and then head upstairs. Just don't forget to remember your location and floor number before you go exploring. There ain't many in here. We're on the earlier ferry. It's going to be a choppy chumler. Look at this curry for the boys. Freshly caught fish by the captain of the ship. Considering it looked quite rough and choppy, it's actually quite smooth. There they are, the White Cliffs of Dover, welcoming us back to the UK. It's the end of another smooth journey, but already dreaming of the next one. So we're back in the motorhome now. We're about to leave the ferry to touch the soil of Dover, Angleterre. That was a really steady journey. So I'm going to recommend the ferry over the tunnel now, because it's so nice just to have that little break. And actually it's so easy, you forget. The tunnel's easy because you just drive on it, but equally it's it's not as pleasant because you're underground for 35 minutes. It's very hot, but it's quick. Whereas this is, Anyway, so we've had a great time. Let's get on the road. We've got about 210 miles to go. We're going to stop, have a coffee, have a chill after the M25, and then we'll be home for probably about 6-7 o'clock-ish, all being well. So this video is all about going to France pretty cost effectively as well, because it was 180 quid with the ferries, and I paid an extra for slightly flexible, which allowed us to get on this earlier ferry. But the proof is, or what I was trying to prove, is that you don't need to go far in France to have fun. I mean, the chateau was 30 minutes. The sighting near Riem is what, two and a quarter hours, maybe 2.5 hours. And it's easy, and you can have nicer weather. You can have facilities, swimming pools, all that sort of thing. And I'm not a fan of the campsites in the UK because we have a very short period of nicer weather. But yeah, anyway, hopefully this will give you an idea and you enjoyed this video. But anyway, if you liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, press the subscribe button. And if you put the little bell icon on, you'll get notified of our latest content. We're going to get going now because we're starting to move. Catch you on the next one, guys. Thank you for watching this 3-part video of our adventures to France and back. Our next video will be our adventure to van life in Shrewsbury. I hope to meet and see some of you guys there. Thanks for watching again, and see you on the next one.